Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review of this mesh office chair with footrest. So let's jump into it. I'll start out with the footrest that pulls right out of the front here, flip it up, and you are good to go. And from here you have a lever, which I'll show you in just a minute, and you can lay back, and this thing is great. And I can also pull it here and stop it so it won't go back, or I can go all the way back right here. So definitely comfortable chair without a doubt. And then this just pushes right back in here, and it has the nice mesh back so you're not going to be sweating if you're sitting in the chair. And I really like these armrests here. As you can see, they go from side to side. And then of course they also go up and down as well. And then right here they call this like a 4D headrest, because it'll go up and down and then back and forth. And this thing is strong. It is definitely well built. And of course it's on wheels as well. And right here, I'll show you right here from the side, you can raise, of course, and lower the chair so it'll go pretty low. And from here, if I press in and lock it, then if I lean back, it's just kind of like a normal office chair. Or I can pull it out slightly, or pull it all the way out, excuse me, and go all the way back. So really a pretty dynamic chair, and I've been happy with it. My other chair wasn't quite as comfortable, and I like the fact that this has more support down here, and that's helpful for me. And overall, been really happy with the chair.